Yo, my people. Today is Friday. No, it's Saturday, 5th July. The time is 10:42. I just finished work. I was like, I might as well do a little backtesting video for you guys. As on Thursday, after I finished editing, I came back and tweaked my strategy and created my trading plan. And then on Friday, I was testing on not testing on back testing, but testing it on TradingView, like with the last week, seeing how it went, and it went alright. So I was like, I might as well make a video on back testing on FX Replay. But before that, let me show you my trading plan. Last updated July 25th, 2025. Oh my days. Risk rules: only risk 1% per trade, one trade per day max, unless first is break even and all my confluences reappear in the second trade. Never increase risk impulsively after a loss or to make it back, essentially. The only times I trade is New York AM session, which for me is 2:30 to 5 UK time, and America is 9:30 to 12. No trades before New York Open. I'm either trading inside that window or I'm done for the day, no exceptions. News filter, I completely don't trade the day if it's CPI, PPI, NFP, FOMC. For other red folders that are the ones that come daily, I wait 2 to 5 minutes after release and see if it's tradable. If tradable, I'll trade. But if it's just too volatile and it's just all over the place, I won't touch it. Market. The markets I trade is only the Nasdaq and S&P. Entry strategy. This is what I tweaked. I start on the daily 4-hour bias. Identify draws on liquidity, untapped highs and lows, FVGs, auto blocks. Look for higher time frame sweeps, zones or key confluence areas. If bias isn't clear, I don't build exceptions for it, or try create something in my head where the market is clearly not showing it. I'll move to the 1 hour, look for liquidity sweep of the buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. Mark 50% equilibrium of the range, high time frame order blocks, FVGs, draws on internal range, premium discount zones, and then I drop down to the 15-minute after I found either FVG order block or breaker structure, something like that. And then I'll move to the 15-minute. I'll look for breaker structure or clean structure shift, an order block, FVG alignment, further sweeps, clues, and then I drop it again to the 5-minute, more refined sweep, breaker structure. So basically, inside the 15-minute order block FVG, I'll be looking for the same thing. I'll be looking for a refined sweep, breaker structure, order blocks, FVGs, ideally nested, set up with EQ or 15-minute leg. When I say EQ, I mean equilibrium. And then finally, I do the exact same thing inside the 5-minute confirmations. On the 1 minute, I'll look for strong rejections at order blocks. So say we're bullish, I want it to tap into, let's say, an FVG, and I want a bullish close, a strong bullish close. I'll enter off the bullish close. I won't enter off the FVG. Entry, I could enter off breaker structure and confirmation. So if price taps into the FVG, goes on and breaks structure, I'll enter on the candle close with that breaker structure. No weak closes or entries in the middle of nowhere. SL placed beyond or below swing high, swing low, not inside imbalances. These are the must-have confluences: clean candle structure, liquidity sweep. This one's important. Multi-time frame backing, so the 1 hour to the 15-minute to the 5-minute to the 1 minute where I'll look for my entry zone in the order block, FVG equilibrium on the 1 minute time frame. breaker structure in the 1 minute time frame as well. That could go into here, but this itself could be an entry and optional bonus SMT divergence. For my TPs, I won't necessarily be targeting strictly 1 to 3s anymore. I will just be marking opposite draws on liquidity. So TP1, TP2, TP3, it could be TP4, 5, however much there is. But on the first 2 TPs, I'm closing 30% of the trade. And on TP1, I'm moving what am I saying? I'm moving stop loss to break even. And then TP3 onwards, I'll just be removing 20%, 20%, 20%. And then runners, I'll just leave the final 20% when I remove it from, so say there's 40% still running the trade, I remove 20%. The other 20%, I'll leave it as a runner and trail the stop loss. End of session, if it's near 5 o'clock New York time or 12 US time, and the trade is open, I step back, reanalyze with no bias. If structure is clean on the and liquidity is in sight, hold brief. I'll hold. But if it's stalling or ranging, I'll close manually, call it a day, take my profits or my break even. Mental triggers. This is so I stop from entering out of FOMO, just impulsive decisions without waiting for all of this. Basically, I want to be a robot. I want all of this to happen and then be confident to enter. So if any of these happen, I pause and walk away. I'm feeling like I have to trade. I'm entering before seeing a break of structure. I'm hoping the candle does something instead of waiting. I'm adding a confluence that isn't really there. I'm angry about a missed trade or prior loss. I see a sell forming during red news event. I feel FOMO after seeing a candle blast away. I'm breaking my 1 trade per day rule. I'm trading from my phone or outside my zone. I only trade on my desktop. If it's not my desktop, I shouldn't even be looking at markets. I skip journaling for the last trade. This is a must. After every trade, I have to journal. I have to write down my thoughts, my how the trade analysis, the rating on it, if it was a plus, if it was a B, C, and what made me enter, why it was good, why it was bad, what I learned from it. If 2 or plus triggers hit in the same session, I shut down for the day. It could be any of these 2. I'm done. I'm not trading for the rest of the day. Honestly, the mindset reminders for me personally. Obviously, you saw the first few. The ones below are more personal to me, and you can make this exact same structure for yourself, and then for the mindset reminder, make it personal. Make it why you started. Make it why you're still here, and stuff like that. So let's get into the charts and get to back testing. I'm tired, but I'm motivated. Let's go. Get rid of. Oh. Alright, so yeah, it's the same as last time. We'll jump on the daily. Reset. What time is it? You see, 100k. Haven't taken anything. Close positions. Nothing. Fresh. Let's go. Alright, what I need to add is vertical line. Box. Don't think I've edited this one yet. Yeah, I haven't edited it. Let me edit it real quick. No. Okay. Make that green, lighter, black, and black. Get rid of that background, and that's it. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, I'm going to start on the Thursday, 1st May. I think the time, London time. Let's get to it. Let me see what time currently it's trading at. Oh, so New York session already happened. Let's go skip to New York AM, which is going to be this arrow. Orange, blue is London, this pink is Asia. Asia just started. It's definitely news. 12:15, yeah, that'll do. Jump on the daily. Reset. Alright. Price has left behind this FVG where I believe it's just tapped into and then pushed higher. Did it? I'm not sure. We'll mark out this FVG on the daily. There we go. These light blues will be my FVGs. And then mark out that high. Make it black, controls on liquidity. Four-hour. Daily and 4 hours just for me to create my bias and see what price is doing for the day. So many caps in the market. I don't know if this is how it is on TradingView. Price swept and pushed higher, tapped into this FVG, meaning we are bullish and accept that. Drop down to the 1 hour. Let's look for entry now. Actually, wait a second. 1 minute. I'm just marking out Asia, no, New York session. So from here to here is where I'm trading. Anything outside, I'm not interested. Back on the 1 hour. Alright, 1 hour. Price respecting this FVG, sweep and liquidity at the same time. This game swept all that liquidity over here. That out. Leaving behind what? An order block. Star move right here. Order block. Back. Wait, let me figure out if this whole move is the order block or just this candle. Because yeah, I'll consider that as well. So this whole move is the order block. Price pushed higher, leaving behind this massive FVG. Drop down to the 15-minute. See what price done. Inside, price came back. Price hasn't come back into this order block just yet. Also left behind this 15-minute FVG. Keep it moving. Don't really care about the dotted line in the middle right now. Price broke structure to the upside right here. Jump on the 5-minute. To New York open. There we go. Price came back into this FVG. New York opened already, but ideally I want it to come down to here, this FVG, and then see what price wants to do after. It's come on 1 hour real quick. Nothing. 15-minute. Nothing. 5 It's making its way slowly back down, I feel. Second 15-minute. See what price does. It did come tap into this 15-minute and then broke. Nope. That's wave. No. I broke here. Broke here to the upside. And if I really wanted to, I could have longed off that candle close. Stops there, targeting other draws on liquidity. Obviously, I didn't see it in time. Price did leave behind this 5. I'll even drop down to the 1 minute. Price did leave this FVG. The price shorts back into here on the 1 minute. Could look for a cleaner entry. Came so close but didn't tap it. Still could. It's building up all this liquidity. This just gives me more of a confirmation if it comes down into this FVG. I'm going to have a beautiful buy. I'm going to come and sweep all of this liquidity. I know this is going to happen during the New York session. New York session just, I could have entered up here, but it was useless to be honest. There's no way price doesn't come back and take all of this loss. And then yeah, price literally just left this FVG untapped and pushed higher. Meaning I wouldn't have traded that day. Let me see if price does even come back into this FVG. There we go. So the price came back into the FVG. Obviously I'm not going to trade it. Just want to see if my analysis was right. Came back into this 5-minute FVG where you see here. Drop to the 1 minute. I want to break or structure the upside. Swept this low. Clean for me. Move back to 1 minute. I'm gonna break or structure the upside. Beautiful. Right there. This right here could have been a break or structure the upside, but I don't want to break that. Long from that candle close. Stops there. Let's go on the high time frame and start marking out our support draws on liquidity. TP1, TP2, TP3, previous daily high. And obviously I could even hold it all the way up there. 1 to 9, right there. So price wants to drop back to the 1 minute. Move for it. Oh, straight stop loss. What does the price do? Wait, did that consider a break structure? Because it created when you can suck these holes. Clearly I still got more learning to do. Yep. I mean I didn't trade it outside my session. Yep. Delete. Jump to 15. Next day. I could even come out of this back testing not making anything. Because you have to bear in mind some. Oh no, I went past it. Okay, daily. The open's already started. Daily, what we're doing inside this bearish FVG. Kind of disrespected already, but overall we look very bullish. Came from a liquidity sweep to a push higher. Price came back. Low key, respecting all the bullish biases. Imagine this FVG or gap, whatever you want to call it, pushed higher. Ideally, I would want to target this high or even just previous daily high. 4 hour. Yeah, very bullish on this 4 hour. That is very big FVG respected. Liquidity sweep FVG. Liquidity sweep FVG. Liquidity sweep inside of FVG. Very bullish today. Drop on the 1 hour. Do you have a sweep on the 1 hour? Yup. Inside high time frame FVG. 1 second, let me mark out the 230 to this is round trading. Nothing past it. Liquidity sweep. Breaker structure. Nope. I don't think this counts as a breaker structure. Maybe I have to rewatch the video I learned from and then look at my notes as well. I don't know. Because we made a low, we made a high. Does that count? I don't know. Nevertheless, inside this, I don't know. Inside this 1 hour FVG, we had liquidity sweep, strong push up, and then 15 minute. Something on the 15 minute. Ooh, got to mark out the 1 hour order block. It is this whole candle right here. From the 15 minute. See what price is doing. Price swept session lows already as well. Ideally looking for a buy, and that's really 245. So mark up 50% of this push. Anything below here, so inside this order block would be ideal. You see much on there. This was my full session anyway, and the FVG 5-minute. Price came into this 5-minute FVG, respected. Also this FVG, disrespected, respected this one. Oh, I missed it. Price came back 240. Damn it. It's cool though. Should have been looking at how far I was skipping forward. 5-minute FVG, respected. Up to 1 minute. See if we can come. Oh my days. This right here would have been a beautiful entry. It's FVG. After this liquidity sweep as well. Oh my days. See if I can look for a re-entry. But ideally, this right here is what I would have traded. Entered there. Stops at this low. 3-minute. Let's mark out all the draws on liquidity session highs, swing highs, equal highs, all of that good stuff. High. Would want that high as well. That's a gap. Got the 1 hour. I'll come what hourly highs. That's getting greedy. Obviously, that possible. I believe so. And just to this high. How much is that? 1 to 2. Not the best. Risk to rewards. 1 to 4. Let's go there. But I will be looking for a re-entry. Oh, left behind this FVG right here. There's my entry. Bish, bash, bosh. Oh my damn. I need to get rid of this. I will long position off there. I can even get tighter stops right there. TP1 to there's my final take profit, which is at 1 to 7. And that's a break of structure. What we want to do, equilibrium. Yep. Clean equilibrium. Place order now. Limit. Oh my days. 1%. On these trades, you'll be risking 1% on a 1 to 7 risk to reward. Well, I'm not going to come out of that. You're always going to have to come out with less because of the partials you're taking along the way. Right. Save. There we go. TP1 hit. Break even. And we're going. Oh, wrong thing. We're going to close 30% of the trade. Save. That I made 800. Wait, no. Yeah, I made 838, leaving 250 still on the table. Break even that. Let's go. TP2. Close again. 30%. Save. What's next? The next TP, where we remove 20% this time. Or we get stopped out, break even. There we go, break even. What did I come out with? 641 due to the partials I took. Where is it? There. $641.29. I hit 1, 2. I hit the 2 take profits, making it R. It's a small RR. 1 to 1.8. Maybe price was coming back. I mean, I only trade one trade a day. Price could be sweeping down, pushing higher. Let's see. Oh, that is clean. Price came, swept, broke structure to the upside. See if it leaves behind in a fair value gap. Oh, fair value gap left behind. See what's happening in the 5 minutes before I place that fair value gap. Price came, swept that low. 1 minute. Let's get back into it. Price came way deeper into this FVG, leaving behind another FVG. And guess what else they left? An order block, which will be, I don't know if it's this move or this move. I'm going to consider this just for now, and then when I get back to my notes and info on it, we'll look for what really is. We'll wait for price to come back into wait for breaker structure, enter off that breaker structure. Or price will just continue up to the other TPs that I initially had out. Yeah, price would most likely push up to the take profits, my final one as well. Oh, finish for the day. Honestly, I wasn't gonna enter. I was just seeing if my analysis was right. There we go, 1.1 to 1.8. Let's see if my analysis was right. Let's add the speed on this, and boom. Yep, I was right. Share we came back, took me out, and then went to hit my full take profit for 1 to 5. Nope, this was my full take profit. 1 to 7, which I was surprised. Yep, price came, took that, absolutely dumped. Wait a second. Come back into that FVG I marked out. Don't say came back into that FVG I marked out. No way. Am I pressing back? Just do this. Like that. Nah. Price disrespected it. So can't even deeper in. I think it came back into that. Order block, did it? Yeah, it came back into that order block. Anyway, delete and go for date the next day. In a minute. Currently sitting at there's still 641, which can go very quickly. On the 30 minute, let's mark out next day's 2:30 and 5. Making our way, making our way. Still 9:30 a.m. Okay, 2 o'clock. Let's go daily, see what price is doing. Price could be retracing back into this daily FVG before pushing higher. Make that FVG color. My back is killing me. 4 hour. I mean, I'm still bullish. Actually making a minor retracement back down before pushing higher. The reason I love this strategy is because I can catch hourly or even the daily move, but on such a minuscule, well, not really minuscule, but smaller time frame, meaning my risk reward would be better. My entry would be more reasonable, not reasonable, but more high probability due to scaling down after a confluence happens, showing either bullish or bearish momentum on each time frame until we get to the 1 minute where the final thing happens. Let's move that back to 1 minute before something happens. Give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, price. I would want price to probably come take this liquidity here. Low-key bearish for the day, but just back into this FVG. Within this FVG, or even we can come even lower. I'll be looking for buy spot for the day. Just have a bearish. And we'll see what happens. The price sweeps and then pushes higher. That's all I need. 1 hour. Not really anything. I think we just need to keep playing it until price comes and sweeps this low, which I know will happen. It's come too far down not to. There we go. New York Open. Oh, let's mark this how that was a liquidity sweep right there. Alright. See. 5 minute. I'm gonna break a structure right here. Leave it behind on FVG. And this technically is our order block. There we go. Leave it behind this FVG. Change the color to drop to the 1 minute. Need to remember these. Okay. This. There. To there. Alright. Back to the 5 minute. An FVG lane below here. Yup, right here. There's an FVG in equilibrium, where I want price to come lower back into this lower FVG. Seems like no entry today, I believe. Yep, no entry. And price swept. See on the 5 minute. Does this count as a break of structure? Let's see. The 1 minute break of structure on the 5 minute. Even behind this FVG. Never even got to tap back into this FVG either. Did we? No. So overall, I feel like today would have been no trade day. I mean, hopefully, if my psychology was good and I stayed to the plan, it's very easy to not take a trade on back testing on the live markets. It's a whole new ball game. Okay, next day. Wednesday. 2:30. 5 o'clock as always. Oh, price done exactly what I anticipated. Came back into that discount. I'm gonna marking out. And it absolutely rips. Guess what? Not my trading time. But I feel like that just gives today more of a reason to be strongly bullish. Oh, price comes sweeps all of this. Me and the money. Oh yeah. Just like that. Alright. It's dropping by a lot. Daily. What's happening in the daily? Talk to me. Got this FVG which was tapped into already. This could be a little retracement before push, which I feel is strongly what's happening. 4 hour. Alright. Price came back into this gap, I believe. I mean, is this liquidity where price could want to come take? I'm surprised if price comes takes that liquidity. 1 hour. Price already swept all these session lows. Well, drop down to the 15 minute. I need to see something. Nothing really, I'm just seeing bearish momentum. Sweep, FVG, push lower. Alright. What did price come tap into? This order block, is it? Okay, tapped into this 15 minute order block. 1 hour. See what price done. Price didn't sweep this low, but came very low. Swept all of this. 15 minute. Did we get a break structure? No. I feel like if I press forward, it'll show very big move. So, yep, we got a break of structure right here on the 5 minute. Break. If I wanted, I could have entered off there. Stops there. Would have got stopped out. But that's not the case. Not this is where I want to see now a break of structure or an FVG left behind. This is an order block. Swept and broke structure, kind, I believe. 1 minute. Nope, no break of structure yet. Came back into this fair value gap here. 1 minute. I believe. I really respected it. See how much he wants to respect it by. I want a bullish close. Does that break a structure? No, not really. There's my break of structure, and there's my entry. Break of structure right there. Entry. I mean, I would have entered off that, but beggars can't be choosers at the end of the day. Let's go on the 1 hour first. Mark out all highs. Alright, there's one. Black. 2. Equal highs. That needs to get taken. And then, I mean, that's a reasonable full take profit. Let's go on the 15-minute, see if I can make a better. Ooh, got this FVG. Risk reward on this is not great. Let's see if I can make it better on the risk reward. Came into this 1 minute FVG, respected it beautifully. I want to say 1 minute, I'm in the 5 minute FVG. And then got a break. Oh, price. Am I blind or blind? Price came swept out low. Swept inside for 1 minute. Order block. The whole move, yes. Inside the 1 minute order block. There we go. These are better. Risk reward. Won't take profits up here. From 1 to 7. Just gotta be patient with it. Alright, risk 1% as always. Save. What the hell? Buy limit order can be placed below. Oh, I was gonna do market. Market, save. Alright, let's get it. I could target this whole imbalance. And that's my TP1 right there. So I'm gonna put my TP1 and break even. Unless I get stopped out straight away. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting stopped out straight away. Oh, to the pit. No way. Oh my days. I mean, on a funded, spread's definitely taking me out, but hey, I'll take it. Break even. And there we go, that's a bit higher up for me to close my 30%. First 30%, save. Break even. Made my 30% up, $921. Oh, that is a beautiful. Oh my days. Price literally edged my stop loss. Well, the reason I'm happy with that, because let's see, that was 279. Say I have 3 accounts, 279 multiplied by the 3 accounts would be 837 on the day. Am I complaining? Hell no. But as time goes on, the accounts will get bigger. And on the 5 minute. Imagine I just hit break even, it just reverses and oh, yeah, happy. Wouldn't have been a losing day. Happy, happy, happy. Price is absolutely dumping. Yeah. The good thing I put my TP there. I saw that a fair value gap on the 5 minute, and I was like, it's not looking good. That's the point where price might want to reverse from, and bish bash bosh. Price done exactly that. Reset. Minute. Mark out the next day's 230. 230. And where's 5? There. Let's get price all the way there. Honestly, I am tired. Came from a long shift. But if I want what I want to happen, I gotta do stuff like this, even if I don't want to. So it calls this. That's what's called discipline. That's all my days I can't speak. So you know I'm tired. So you call discipline. Daily, again. Or is it telling us price has come back in again to this FVG, respected it, bullish close on the next candle, almost. Price is very bullish on the day. Price respected this FVG right here that we talked about. Alright, 4 hour. Price broke structure to the upside. Oh my days, beautiful liquidity sweep right here. Can this day be any better? No, not really. FVGs left behind. I mean, there's this, but we'll see on the hourly. Look at all these session lows. Second, equilibrium on this. Order block should be. I mean, candle's order block, isn't it? I'm not wrong. I think order block's the hardest thing that's taken me to master. I mean, overall, let's create this order block, pushed out from it. Does that count as a retrace back in? I don't know. But the moment price is respecting this fair value gap right here, leaving behind all these other fair value gaps. Honestly, can I be honest? I'm clueless right now. I don't know, at times my brain just goes blank and I don't know what price wants from me. But honestly, I would want to beautiful equal highs. If price makes a retracement now, I'm holding till these equal highs. But 1 hour fair value gap right there. Is this inside equilibrium? Let's find out. Low, high, it's above equilibrium. Oh, am I deleting it? Alright, 15-minute. Talk to me price. Let's get at least a liquidity sweep of this before we push higher. There we go. There's the liquidity sweep that I wanted. Got a nice 5-minute closure. We'll drop into the 1 minute and see what's happening. All price could even drop down even lower, which will make my entry even better. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, come on. No, you want to come lower. Sweat these lows here. What do I tap into? 1 hour FVG. I don't know what that tapped into. 15 minute. Don't know what that tapped into. 5 minute. I don't know what price is doing, but it's too close to that FVG not to want to come tap it. Come tap that FVG for me. Come sweep this low for me. There we go. There we go. We can get rid of that. Now, all we need is a nice push, just like that. Bingo. There's my break. Structure. 1 minute. What's it leave behind for me? It's fair value gap right here. Inside what? Inside an order block. Which makes it even better. Ooh. Wait a second. Don't know why I zoomed out. But would this candle be considered as the order block? This is the one that swept liquidity. And then change the color to black. Want price to come back into here. And then give me a breaker structure and I'll enter off the breaker structure. Let's go. Or price can just keep pushing higher and forget about me. Forget about me. Yep, price done exactly that. Forgot about my black ass. Oh, imagine I entered off this breaker structure on the 5 minute. Not even on the 5 minute. Wait, 5 minute. That's the breaker structure. 1 minute. Oh, it's not really respecting the fair value. Oh, it is. It left two big fair value gaps. This right here would have been such a gamble with this massive FVG. But say I did. That's not breaker structure. That I would have entered off that. Stops all the way down here. Yeah, not worth it. Wouldn't have found a clean entry. This price anyway. That's just a one, basically a 1 to 4 at that high. Jump on the 15 minute. What did I say? Those equal highs, oh my days, I would have targeted them with efficiency. But didn't give me my entry. Not gonna give back. Not gonna give back my profits. 5 minute. Well, if this is a 5 minute breaker structure, this is a 5 minute breaker structure. Let's see. 5 minute breaker structure, apparently I think that's what it is. Over there. Nah. Couldn't have taken it. Call it a day. Bish bash bosh. Next day. I mean, at the moment, my win rate is 100%. Kai close with the last trade. It was 130. 2:30, I mean. There. 5 o'clock. There. Urban gauge price over here. Price took those equal highs and dumped back into. Nah, entry was more lower. I could. There's a possibility my entry from yesterday could be today's entry. Alright, 1 minute. Time is price at 225. Alright, daily. What are you saying to me? Bullish, 100%. Don't see anything other than bullish. 4 hour. Sweep. Come on now. inside an FVG. It's like price wants me to make so much money. I mean, the price comes sweeps this low. This low that I'm marking. I'm using the line to see where it is, but this low. It would be a nice day. Nice day to trade. Price did sweep these hourly lows right here. Never managed to take Asia low. But honestly, this is good enough for me. Get on the 15-minute. Price swept cleanly. And that's the low is swept. Inside anything. This order block. Yeah, I'll consider this the order block. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't see anything here per minute. This was definitely news. The hell? News at 12:27. That's new to me. Let's get back on the 15-minute. 1 minute. What's left behind this FVG? The FVG already got tapped into. Let's see. 5-minute FVG right here. See what price wants to do. Oh, my hands are getting tired. What day is it? It's only the 9th. Oh my days. I'm gonna have to make this 2 videos. I think I reached day 10. And then come back tomorrow. Because my eyes are giving up on me. Yeah, it's just too big of an order block for me. And it hasn't even broke that high yet. So what I'll be looking at is this FVG on the 5-minute, drop down to the 1-minute. Oh my days. I mean, I want this low to be taken. Never mind. Someone like you. Yeah, I don't know what's going to me. Sorry about that, lads. Let's go. Come on. Use drop, man. Drop lower back into this FVG. Beautiful. 5-minute FVG. You could even come lower to this FVG. And order block. Oh my days. I don't. That. Can we consider this an order block? Can we consider that an order block? I don't know. This price comes, respects this and this FVG. We in the money. I mean, an FVG inside an order block is creme de la creme. We go ways where to tap in, break structure. Oh my days. Oh my days. And this is only 252. So I mean, if we respect this and not come attack these lows like a savage, be happy to take a trade. I'll be happy to take the reversal. Oh my days, I'm blind. And behind this FVG, price comes back into this. Kind of did and kind of didn't at the same time. Oh, yeah, missed opportunity. Came back nicely into this FVG. Now I want a nice break. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, take that out. Disrespected that. It's got disrespected a while ago. I don't know why I was still there. Okay. Surprise wants to be a savage. Never closed below it yet. Spoke too soon. Minute. 5 minute. I mean, considering this an order block, I have no idea. This price action did not make sense to me. Coming back for this though, I think. Is that what you're on? Yeah. Looks like I was wrong, but because of how my entry model is formed, I don't trade unless they all align. What did we come into? Oh my days, we came into this order block. Am I blind or am I blind? And there's still time in the session. An hour. Swap this hourly low, including A's session low. 15 minute. Respect to that order block. 5 minutes. On the 15 minutes, still respecting this FVG as well. 5 minute. No price creates in 5 minutes. Considering this a breaker structure, I don't know. But guess what? We're gonna enter on this little retracement of an FVG. Let's see. There we go. Now give me a nice bullish close. Bingo. I'm in. I'm in on the money. I'm in on the money. Long stops there. Go on the 15-minute start. Marking out highs. Honestly, final take profit right there. I can't even target that high as my final take profit. From 1 to 4. Hourly. Anything. I don't even put the mark. I'm slow, aren't I? Fuck. There we go. In that. That's a nice first take profit. Equilibrium of this. Give me take profit. Take profit too. The question is, are we sure it's a reversal of this? 5 minute. And there. 1 minute. I could put stops there. Base order. Market. Save. Alright. Oh, there's this. Let me take profit one right here. of that FVG. Let's see what price wants to do. Take profit at 1. I mean, I can. Now I'll be take profit on what we're doing. Too small. There we go. Close 30%, and we're off risk free. Meaning we're at 1.6, basically 1.7. Next TP, let's go. Break even. Call that. Call it a day. GG's. Don't say reverse to just. Market's tempting me, man. What is this? Beautiful, sweet, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Market's talking to me right now. Am I gonna enter? No. I just want to see what price would have done. Oh, price just came back into that FVG. No breaker structure. That's a breaker structure, is it not? I'm not gonna enter, but I could if I wanted to. It's tempting, you know, very tempting. I want to enter on half risk because I already made profit that day. Off this breaker structure. Click on that, place order, 50% risk. I mean 0.5% risk. Save. We're in. I lose 500 if price reverses on me now. But move that to TP1. That's still TP2. Looks like I was wrong. There we go. Break even. Close. 30%. Save. Break even. Bish, bash, bosh. Let's get to the next TP. Or break even already. There we go. I'm catching such small moves, but look how beneficial it is. I'm gonna. Wait, how much was that last trade? I made $100 on that last trade. That's what you call risk management. That would have been $300. And that would have been $600. Overall, good day. Just goes to show this I could be making profit every day. No, come on, not every day, but what day is it? It's the 9th. I got one more day. Actually, it's a Friday. We'll leave it. We'll leave it here for now. Up the 1.2. We'll leave it here for now, so that I could come back and start another week for another video. I think the video will come tomorrow. Let's go over the analytics session. Apply. All right, look at that, 100% win rate. I think 4 trades. That's wrong because all my trades hit break even. 4 wins, 0 losses. All during New York. My win rate, New York. You saw all our traders. Yeah, I'm broke. I ain't got this yet. Performance calendar, you can see green. Took the 3 trades. There's the trades itself. Oh, here they are. I want to see the trades, man. Alright, 100% win rate. Risk reward. Oh my day, that's terrible. But profitable. This is just in 1 week. I made 1,200 in just 1 week. Monday. Oh, here they are. First trade, 600. Second trade, 200, 200, 100. Over time, this adds up. You're telling me this don't work? It works. I'm clearly showing 100% win rate. I mean, for now, no one's 100%. My losses can be the whole of next week, but the way I was trading on this shows if you're patient. If no, let me talk to myself. If I'm patient on the markets, on live markets, this can be me. If I wait for my multi time frame proof where it goes from the 1 hour, I drop down to the 15, see what I need to see, mark it out, go on the 5, inside that 15 15-minute confluence, the 5-minute confluence is made. Inside that 5-minute confluence, my 1-minute entry confluence is there. And I don't enter off the FVGs or order blocks normal. I wait until a break of structure. We'll leave this for now. Up $1,255.11p. It's gonna be the exact same next time. I think I'll come tomorrow after work. Same thing, trade on this, and then Monday. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you now, and I'll remind you guys later that on Monday I no longer will be trading on the MT5. I'll be paper trading off here, where I want to start getting used to it, so that when it comes to my live or my funded, I was looking at funded and I could trade straight off here. So why not do it? And the reason I want to do this is so I can get used to it, and for my back testing is exactly like this. So why not back test and live trade the exact same way? So there's no difference. There's no calculating stuff. If that makes sense. I can come here right now. I want to risk 1% of risk 1%, just like that. I want to take profits. I think it allows me to choose a percentage where I can remove my 30%, 20%, 20% onwards. And yeah, overall, happy because I know even though my average art risk reward on the back testing was like a negative, it's profitable. I'll take it. Honestly, I'll take it. If I'm coming out day in, day out with profit, which is the main goal of trading, is making profit, why am I complaining? I mean, once in a while I catch the big trade that I'm marking. I mark this high. Price comes, taps it, breaks even. But another day it might push all the way until up here where I want it. Catch my big trade. So yeah, this was a long session, long backtesting video, but beneficial for me. Hopefully beneficial for you guys watching. Any questions? Leave it in the comment section. Any questions? Leave in the comment section. my socials is my TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and my Instagram. I'll be posting my live trades. From now on, I mean, I already started with my previous, I think, 4 trades. My last 4 trades, I uploaded it, and you know my trades because I have the full videos on YouTube, meaning I won't be trading outside of my session, catch fluky wins, and then post it. Right now on my socials, it's I think 4 losses and 1 win, which shows I couldn't care less about what you guys think. You can think I'm a dead trader, I'm a good trader, but for now, I know I got a lot of work to put in, and yeah, over time, this will just be the. This is just the start, even though it's not profitable, even though it's not profitable, but real funds in my account. It's a stepping stone. So thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night. I don't know if I'll post this today or tomorrow. Honestly, I'm tired. But it's when you don't want to do it where you really gotta stay disciplined. Because if you're not disciplined in that, how are you gonna be disciplined in these markets? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.